inyong nalihim.
This time I would like to translate the song into English because we have some friends here from Africa, Verdi, from Dado Lichon. My friend here, Michael, from Manradem, drummer. He's from Colombia. He's a terrorist. Yeah. Oh, suicidal Camille. To be happy with me under the backyard. If you have mercy on me, you did this shit to me. If I'm going to be shit, in the post that's where shit is. If you have mercy, mercy, it's no more beauty under the backyard. Don't want to wait with a post type of shit under the backyard. It's no more beauty under the backyard. No one to wait with a post type of shit under the backyard.